Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to send a GIF in Gmail Spaces on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Sending GIFs is a fun way to express yourself and keep your conversations lively. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be using. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon opens the Google Apps menu. Click on it to see the list of available services. From this menu, select Chats. This will take you to the chat interface, where you can manage your conversations, including your spaces. Now direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Spaces. This option will show you all the different spaces you're a part of, allowing you to find the conversation where you want to send a GIF. Enter the specific space you wish to join. Once you're inside, look at the text bar where you usually type your messages. You should see a GIF icon there. This is where the fun starts. Click on that GIF icon, and a search window will pop up. Now, you can either browse through popular GIFs or type in a keyword related to the GIF you want to share. For example, if you're looking for something funny, you might type laugh or celebrate. Once you find a GIF that catches your eye, just click on it. After selecting the GIF, it will appear in the chat text area, ready to go. If everything looks good, press Enter to send it. Your GIF will now be shared in the space, adding a fun element to your conversation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send a GIF in Gmail Spaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital interactions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.